Okay, conversion functions. Let's see all the types of ones what we have seen to date, to char, and to number. So let's have an example of to date. I have the first one framed like this. Select to date. I've given a date, like date and time, and I've given the format, whatever I've given. Okay, so the machine has to understand what are we trying to tell it, right? So how does it understand is we have to explain this is supposed to be year and this is supposed to be month and this is supposed to be date. So understand it in that way and then convert it into the date. Okay, so what happens here is select to date. I'm giving a date, and whatever I'm giving and I'm explaining, this is the way I have given. So 2015 is nothing but y. It is the four no numbers of year, that is a year 2015. Then slash I've given and then slash dd means is 05 month, May month, and then dd is date 15. So I've given the format of whatever data which I am trying to give so that it can understand and then accept it and then store it. Okay, so here again I've used the dual table, the dummy table. Let's understand the functionality. So if you see, I've given this inside a string, like the single quote, right? So what does the single quote mean? It is a string value. So what am I trying to convert here to a date format? Actually, a string value is getting converted into a date. Okay, so anything you give inside a single quote, it is a string value, and then you're trying to convert that string value into date format. Okay, let's run it. See, the system date is 15/5/15. Okay, so not system date, the date whatever we have given 15/5/15, because it understood the date and the time, because we have explained it the format, it understood and now it is displaying the date. Okay, let's go and check another one. I'm giving only the date. This time I'm not giving any time. I've given 09/07/2003. Right. 09/07/2003. Very good. Let me not give any slash or hyphen or anything. Just give a number and tell the first four digits are year, and the next two is month, and the next two is dd. See how have I explained it? Just a number and then the format. See, it has understood. So basically what it does is we are giving a value, a string value, and we are telling this is the format, understand it, or we are telling it how to read the string which we are trying to give. So I'm trying to give this number and I'm telling you that read this number in this way. The first four digits are year. So read it this way and store it as a date format. Okay, store it in the date format. That's why we are using to_date function. Okay, let's go to the to_char functionality. So obviously it should not be inside a single quote because we are going to convert it into a single quote. In the result, we cannot see any difference because in the result it will not be given as single quotes. So whatever we are trying to run in the query, here select to_char of 1210.73. It will be displayed in the same format. So again, as it is whatever we tried to do above, we are doing it same in the to_char functionality. Select to_char 1210.73. It is a number value. Now I'm trying to convert it to a string, means a character value. And I'm also giving inside the quotes. Okay, this is the number value, and inside the quotes I'm telling 9999.9. So this is the format. This is how you have to read this number 1210.7. 3 I'm not even considering, means 9999.9. Only one digit I have given after the decimal point. Let's run this and see what is the result. See, 1210.7. And again, maybe the data is numbers 1210.7. But actually, the format is 2 character, means it has become the string value. So from a numeric value, you can convert the format of the value into string. So that is what we are trying to do here. Can we display it with comma separated, like 10,000? I like it always to write 10, 10, comma, 000, 10,000. So can we do that here? Yes, we can do. You give the number to char of, give the number, comma, in what format you want to display it. Let's run this. Here I've given 9, 999.99. Okay, 2 digits after decimal and then thousands, comma. See, 1, 210. So 1210.73. Okay, so can we put dollar symbol or rupee symbol in front of our value? Yes, that is also possible, because anything and everything, only you have restriction when it is a numeric value. If it is a converted character value, obviously you can convert it or add comma or symbol in front, dollar or rupee, provided that column should not be a character only, means characters data type will accept only alphabets. Okay, so here we might be using a varchar to column type that should be utilized so that we can add comma or dollar sign and all. Okay, let's run this. See, $1,210.73. Okay, so this is all about character value. Let's see if I can lead the zeros. Okay, we have seen the truncate 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, only 1, 2, 3 has come, right? Same way, can I add zeros? Okay, so what have I done is to char 21 is the number, and I want to add zeros in front of it, 4 zeros in front of it. So I'm making a 2-digit number into a fixed 6-digit number. Say the next time I'm giving 121, comma 00099, then it becomes a fixed 6-digit number. So let's run this. It is a character value again. The format is character string type, but we are playing with numbers. Okay, do remember that. Okay, see, 000021, but this is a character type. It might look like a number, but it is a character type. We have converted into character, number to character. And the next one is to number functionality. Again, the same thing. What happens here? See, I have given inside the single quotes. Why? Because this is a string value and you're trying it to make it into a number value of this format. Okay, so how we have seen the to-date format. You give something and you give the format of it, it will understand and so store it in the database. Same way here, some string value you're converting into number in this format. 9999.99. So after decimal point, 2 digits are acceptable. Okay, so 546 is 3-digit number, 23 is 2-digit number. So that's why we are giving the format. You understand the string value like this and you converted it and then you store it as a number format. So the result will be the same, like C23 and then 546 and then 121.0.73, but actually the type of the data is number because we have used to number functionality. So that's all about the conversion function. So we have finished all the 4 types of functions. Let's go on to the next topic.